Okay, hello guys. My first video ever. My other one said I cannot do this till 15 minutes. I was like, what the heck is wrong with it? Okay, now guys, I'm going to show you all my accounts. So, I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. I can hear it just fine. Don't care about that. So recording, that's good. Waiting for it to load. Load. Don's watching YouTube. Don, check out my videos soon, okay? Have weird bumps on me and everything. Taking Dr. Pepper. Yum. Getting pretty sick. Mom, are you positive that you done the chat thing?
Yes.
Are you sure? I sent it again, in case, okay? I'm gonna check it out soon, okay?
Okay.
And guys, I'm a rabbit. Other thing is, on my wolf, I have rabbit ears. I'm a crossbreed of a rabbit and a what's it called again? Wolf. Yes, a wolf. Wolf. See, I'm a rabbit. I have an egg, black bunny on it, and I'm baking toast. And look, I'm going to show you. This is my other account. Those two are just backups. Don't worry about those. This is my other account, but yeah. Mom, remember my AJ password? Remember it? You created it.
Your what?
Emojam password. You created it. So you have to remember.
And I think Spinosaurus, when you purchase
It's a bad
purchase this beautiful
dots?
expansion,
Yeah, it does. That's
that
great.
Volcanic Extinction, you will get two
Where are you watching?
Volcano
Don't
and
look.
uncommon volcano. So
Log in.
this is the volcano,
Thank you,
and
Mom.
This is the uncommon.
You guys shall never know the password. The password. What? That's it. That's my password. I forgot my password. My parents' email. Okay. You do this, and turn out the comments forever. Never. Okay, guys, I'll be trying to figure like that. I had to go with my backup account, S Kennedy. I was just trying it out. I should have never done that. I just lost my raccoon tail. Oh my goodness. Donovan, are you okay with the coughing over there? I'm sorry guys about all that trouble. This is going to be a short video. I'm loving it. I'm loving the game. Also 6, so please don't judge me.
Hey, Mom, they put people on the table. No, why? You need people that wall with. That wall with.
Say hi. Let's record. Say hi, I'm recording. Yes, it worked, Mom.
Did it work?
Yeah. Just gotta say hello. Okay. Okay. No joke. I'm not pranking no one. Trust me, I'm recording. I'm out. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go there. I have the blood. Okay. It would be funny if I ran around saying, "Come and get your toast, come and get your toast." That would be funny. Ran around saying, "Come and get your toast, come and get your toast." Actually, I'm not gonna have the bunny ears that people think I'm just normal. The biggest toast on her back. Just normal wolf. The biggest toast on her back. Hey guys, I'm just a normal wolf with that's just a bacon. Oh my gosh! Yeah. Yeah, I'm totally keeping that on. Yeah, I'm keeping that on. Pick it up. Yeah, I'm keeping it on. Oh, and my reindeer armor. Like some toast? I try to do better. Say hi. I'm recording. Little spots. Can't be watch. Wait. Hundreds of people can be watching this.
They kind of put you in that kind He's kind of, I'll send you a book. I should be He's kind of like Cain.
Let me say point.
I consider Cain kind of like intelligent. I bet you can. But you know it.
I'm gonna get my toasty backpack off. You know, toast. Get it. Okay, guys. Joke of the day will be in the comments. So, bye, guys, and enjoy the video and like and subscribe. So, goodbye.